Sprint 7 for engine. This week was a far less productive week in terms of things I wanted to get done. Uh, I have another like branch set up with more stuff done in terms of a more interesting map, but a lot of it is not working due to the way that models are. Like not a lot of them aren't centered and such, so I didn't want to actually commit to showing you that. But the core stuff you wanted this week is all done and done relatively well. I finished it all, I think on Sunday, but other classes got in the way of me being able to do stuff. So I'll show you what is done. So the visualizer does work to an extent. Um, you'll see the extent. I kind of got the God camera working, as I mentioned on Discord. I was having trouble, so I wasn't able to change that just yet. In my other build, I have my cottages looking at me, but they're very bad at looking at me, so I didn't want to show you that either. So you will see, which annoys me, is they don't change colors immediately, but as you can see, it's touching with that cottage, and then if I move over here, mine kind of changes, but the other one doesn't. I have no idea why it does that. Um, it's strange because the code to do it is the same exact that you'd expect, um, but for whatever reason it doesn't change like the visualizer shows. So I'll show you then it correctly working, which is on cottages or test self. Um, in this way, I'll show you that because I didn't show you test self last week. It was working, but I just didn't show you. So this week it's the same thing. This is when they come at me, and now that they collided, they are, as you can see down here, they're colliding, and then the visualizer actually changed. And since I turned off the spaceship from being collided with, he didn't have a visualizer. This is the collision. That's false. I got rid of, as you can see, that's all I have. I had a bunch of testing variables earlier, but now they're no longer here. So I have those two, float and radius and center. And then this is the math to get the center point that is done to use the visualizing tool. This is the collision between two volumes. This is the self, and this is the pair. I'm not sure why one of them works and one of them doesn't. And yeah, that is the code for this week. I got, like I said, visualizer for the most part works. It should work more often, but I don't know why it's broke. And then the actual collision does work. So yeah, that is this week.